Whooping cough numbers are increasing and concerns are on the rise as cold and flu season is among us tonight. According to the CDC, the number of reported whooping cough cases doubled in June of this year compared to 2023 numbers. Whooping cough may seem like a regular cold at first, but it can turn dangerous for children. In the early stages of the illness, symptoms are basically cough and congestion, the same as the common cold, but things can quickly escalate from there.
So whooping cough can have cough, cold, congestion, things you'd think of for a normal cold, but then it's one that just doesn't go away. And that cough can get so severe that individuals will make a whoop or like a loud pitched sound at the end of their coughing spell.
The disease can also cause apnea in children, which is where they actually stop breathing for long periods of time. Doctors recommend getting your young kids vaccinated to protect them and also to protect at-risk individuals like other children and the elderly.